Hi, this is Jesse Bennett-Chamberlain. I just wanted to share a quick tip for creating parallel lines in Photoshop. This is a website that I recently worked on, and up in the top right-hand section here, I have a navigational element to it that I want to define a little bit more. So I'm going to sketch out some divider lines, and this is how I would, previously do it, where I would just sketch out a line and then option click and drag them down and create these dividers to define these out a little bit more. So the downside of this is that you get a lot of items in your layers palette, which you have to manage, and getting them accurately separated out can be a little bit tedious too, especially if in a scenario like this where you have a break in it, so you can't just select all of them and tell it to redistribute because it's not going to respect that kind of missing area there. So what I've been doing is, instead of using separate lines, is I'll create a new text box, and this one I just duplicated the initial text layer so I had the same leading already. Oops, grabbed the wrong one there. There we go, sorry about that. So what I'll do is just sketch out a new text box and fill it with underscores, and then tightly kern them together. So I have them kerned at negative 140 for the tracking anyway. And then I set the anti-aliasing to none, and that will give me a nice crisp line. And then set the drop shadow to, that's just for style. But what this allows is that there's just one item in the layer palette that I have to manage, and if I ever want to change the tracking, the leading on the navigation here, I can just change it on the text as well as the lines, and it will all theoretically, let's see here, line up. It's a little bit of tweaking. There we go. So it's just a quick way to create parallel lines, and they always are perfect width apart, and it's great for other areas too, for creating tables and charts. I've used it quite a bit, so I thought I'd just pass that along.